Namaste student, myself JV Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is Basic Enzymology and today's session is Random and Ordered Bye-Bye Mechanism. So in this, first of all, we will discuss the classification of multi-substrate reaction. What is a multi-substrate reaction? It involves more than one substrate, often resulting in multiple products known as bye-bye reaction, two substrate, two product, one enzyme. The following question represent a bye-bye reaction in which A and B are the substrate, E is the enzyme and P, Q are the products. Overall reaction does not give a good representation of actually what happens in reality. The multi-substrate reaction in fact follow a complex create equations that describe how the substrate bind and in the what sequence. So basically multi-substrate enzyme mechanism had two parts: sequential single displacement tertiary complex and second is non-sequential double displacement ping pong mechanism. So we have already discussed ping pong mechanism, which is ordered reaction. Now we are discussing random order and compulsory order, which is comes under single displacement complex method. So we already discussed ping pong or non-sequential mechanism. In ping pong mechanism, also called a double displacement reaction, is catalyzed by the change of the enzyme into an intermediate from when the first substrate to product reaction occur. It is important to note the term intermediate indicate that this from is not temporary. So next is order sequential reaction. In order sequential reaction, all the substrate are first bound to the enzyme in a defined order or sequence. The product two are released after catalysis in a defined order or sequence. An example is the lactate dehydrogenase enzyme, which is a protein that catalyzes glucose metabolism. In this order mechanism, the coenzyme NADH always bind first with pyruvate binding. Afterward, during the reaction, the pyruvate is reduced to lactate while NADH is oxidized to NAD plus by the enzyme. Lactate is then released first, followed by the release of NAD plus. This is a characteristic of temporary complex, which consists of three molecules that are bound together. Before catalysis, the substrate and coenzyme are bound to the enzyme. Next is random order mechanism. In random sequential reaction, the substrate and product are bound to and then release is no preferred order on or random order. This mechanism can generally be expressed by the following equation where E is equal to enzyme and P and Q is a product. Its example is the keratin kinase enzyme which catalyzes the substrate creatine and ATP from the product. So next is compulsory order mechanism. In multi-reactant enzyme catalysis reaction, if the reactant must bind to the enzyme site in a specific order, the reaction type is temporarily called order and compulsory order mechanism. Then what is order mechanism? A key for substrate binding and product release for multi-substrate enzyme. For a two substrate two product enzyme with an ordered mechanism, one particular substrate has to first bind to the enzyme followed by the other substrate. Chemistry then occurs and products are formed and are released from the enzyme in a distinct order. More complex order scheme exists from enzyme having two or more substrate, some dehydrogenase such as a mechanism. So what is bye-bye reaction? A bye-bye reaction catalyzed by a single enzyme in which two substrate and two product are involved. The ping pong mechanism may be involved in a such reaction. So bye-bye reaction is catalyzed by a single enzyme in which two substrate and two products are involved. It is compare mechanism. So this is the overview and introduction about random and bye-bye mechanism. Hope you like this video, and if you have any question, you can write down in comment section. This video is powered by JVW Digital 2.0 version.